Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Problem of the Day with Miss Allen. Remember, you're doing your problem of the day on your own and you're checking your answers with me. So let's begin with the letter A. Miss Cameron picks 7 apples from a tree. Some are red and some are green. How many apples are red? How many apples are green? So boys and girls, this is a decomposition problem. This means they are asking us to make a combination of the number 7. Okay, I already went ahead and drew my apples. And I'm just going to close my eyes and draw a line right here to break apart the number of apples. Okay, so now I have 4 on this side and I have 3 on this side. I'm going to write my number and I'm going to check my work with my objects. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubes. If I break my cubes like this to show what my picture have, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, 1, 2, 3 on that side, and together they make 7. So I'm going to draw my cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. My 4 cubes, because that's what I see. 1, 2, 3, and my 3 here. Check and check. And then remember, when we break apart, I did not take away anything, but I can show my parts using an equation. So I have 4 and I have 3, and I know when I put them together, I get 7. So put together means to add, and I'm going to write my 7 right there. I'm going to show my parts using my number line as well, okay? So I'm going to show this 4 by putting the dot right here, and then 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and that's the 7. And I can show this using my 10 frame, or if you guys like, you can also use your double 10 frame to show your parts like so. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this 10 frame, and then 1, 2, 3, or you just show 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4 where we started, and then we hop 3 more times. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, and that's how your 7 is going to look. Now remember, this is your number bond, and you can use your pictures, your cubes, or your equation to help you with your number bond. We know that the parts, look at the parts, and we don't forget label if you're still having a hard time with your number bonds. So my parts, I have a 4 and I have a 3, right? And when I put it together to make my whole, like your cubes, it was 7. So my answer is 4 apples, 4 red, and then 3 green. Yeah? Okay. And I can fill this in. 7, 3, and 4. Challenge. The challenge says, try a different combination. Show another way using different numbers. And remember, Miss Cameron picked 7 apples. So we have all 7. But we are no longer going to use the 4 and the 3. This challenge says use a different combination of that number. So I'm going to close my eyes. I'm using my 7 cube stick. And now I'm going to just, boop. I broke. Oh, I have 2 different parts. Oh my goodness. What do I have here? I have a 2. Oop, I'm going to write my 2. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5. Just like that. So now I have 2 red and I have 3 green. Mathematicians, you can try different combinations. You don't have to come up with the 2 and the 5 or the 4 and the 3. You can use your cubes. Try to see if you can come up with different combinations. So see you guys tomorrow for another decomposition problem.